Prime Minister Narendra Modi gi Manipur Khongchat Churachandpur Chatuna Lupa Crore Lising Taret Chahumgi Senfam Oigadaba Tongan ba infrastructure project kaya gi foundation stone yunglam laba matung Kanglada Laktuna Lanjinari ba imung singa unaba amadi Lupa Crore Lising Amachani gi Senfam Oigadaba Chakot Thaurangi Thabakaya Shang-Garamgani Haina Chief Secretary Punit Kumar Goel na Fongdorate Ngasi All Secretariat ki conference hall pangthoki ba paugi mifamamada Chief Secretary na makhatara duna Prime Minister Narendra Modi gi Khongchat si Aijol dagi Manipur tabna lakani amadi numit yung bumatung pung 12 minit 15 chapa matamda Churachandpur da thungani madugi matung lanjenarekliba imung sing unagani loinana Lupa Crore Lising Taret Chahum gi senfam oigadaba tongan ba infrastructure project kaya gi foundation stone yung laba batung miyam da wangangani haire Churachandpur dagi halaklaba Nungthil pung ani makhairom tarakpa matamda Imphal da leiba Kanglada thunglabaga loinana iranga sa lalanje na rekliba singa unagani amadi Crore Lising Amachani gi oigadaba tongan ba development project kaya Shang-Garamgani Manipur asi border state ama oiba khak natana India ki Act East policy ki central pillar amadi Southeast Asia gi gateway su oiri Asigum labalam damasida santi hanjilak pahaibasi hingsha gi thabak thadoktuna leiminari ba miyam gi marakta nungshiba amadi thazaba leihanba mathautai maramasina prime minister gi Khongchat asina lamdamasida santi hanjinduna hena chawkhatpa purakna ba Khongchat ama oigani lamdamasigi miyam puna prime minister Narendra Modi bu taramno okmina si haiba wafam singsu fongdoke
The state government appreciates the efforts of Manipur, both in the hills and the valley, for successfully moving forward to restore peace and normalcy in the state. Thus, the visit of Honorable Prime Minister to the state paved way for peace, normalcy, accelerated growth in the state. Honorable PM will be arriving in Manipur on 13 September 2025 from Aizawl. On his arrival at Churachandpur around 12:15 p.m., he will first interact with some of the internally displaced persons in the district. He will lay foundation stone of various infrastructure projects to be taken up throughout the state. The Honorable Prime Minister will address the public gathering at Peace Ground, Churachandpur. He will arrive at Kangla around 2:30 p.m. and first interact with some of the IDPs in the valley area. The Honorable Prime Minister will be inaugurating various development projects within and outside the state belonging to Manipur. The Honorable Prime Minister will address the public gathering at Kangla.